welcome to TechieTalkee. Hello friends, in this video I'll be explaining about the Numpy indexing and slicing. I had already released videos on the list indexing and slicing. So same is the concept with array indexing and slicing. Array indexing is nothing but accessing the array items using the index value. Array slicing is all about accessing a range of array items. That is, we are slicing a part of the array to access its items. Array index value always starts with 0. So to access an array item, we have to give array of the value. So we'll be giving square braces here. For array slicing, I'm going to use only a portion of the array item. So I'll have to use the slice operator, which is colon. So the syntax is going to be start value colon stop value colon the step value. And the step value is optional. If I don't give any step value, the default is going to be 1 and step value cannot be 0. So coming to the array indexing, there are three types of indexes that are available: basic indexing, advanced indexing, and the field access. In this video, I'll be explaining about the basic indexing. Basic indexing in turn is of three types, which are single element indexing, slicing, and the dimensional indexing tools. The focus in this video will be more on the single element indexing and the slicing. So first, what is the single element indexing? It is the basic indexing type that we were discussing about, just that it includes the negative indexes as well. Say for example, I have an array with 10 values. So using these print statements, I'm trying to explain you how to access the array items using the index. So I'm importing Numpy. AR is going to store an array of items from 1 to 10. My first print statement is AR, which is printing me the array items. Next, I'm going to access the array items using the index value. The index value always starts with 0. So the first item in the array will have the index value of 0. The next one will have the index value of 1, and it keeps going on. So if I try to access AR of 0, it is going to retrieve me the first item in this array, which is 1. So similarly, AR of 2 is going to retrieve me the third value, because this is index 0, index 1, and this is index 2. So 3 got printed in my output window. As in the list, array also supports negative indexes. So the negative index starts from the last. 10 is going to have the negative index of -1, 9 will have the negative index of -2, and it keeps going on like that. So if I try to print AR of -1, it is going to print the last value, which is 10. So that is how 10 got printed here. So AR of -4 will be -1, -2, -3, and -4. So 7 got printed in my output screen. Let's now create a 2D array. This is the 2D array that I've created. Print AR is going to print the entire 2D array. Now, how am I going to index the array items? So I'll give AR of X comma Y. So here I have given AR of 0 comma 0. So this print is going to print the first row, first column element value on the screen. So 1 got printed here. So if I give 0 comma 1, it's going to be first row which has the index value of 1. So similarly, 0 comma 4 is going to be the first row with the index value of 4. So this is the first row and index value 0, 1, 2, 3 and 4. So 5 got printed here. So similarly, if I want to access the second row, I can give AR of 1 comma whatever column value that I want to print. So AR of 1 is going to print the second row items and 0 is going to print the second row first index value. So 11 got printed here. So similarly 1 comma 1 is going to be 12 and 1 comma 4 is going to be 15. The other way to define and access a 2D object is by using the array function and the shape attribute. To create a 2D array, I'm first using arrange function to create 10 values, and then using the shape, I'm going to create a 2D array which is going to contain 2 rows and 5 columns. Print AR is going to print me the 2D array which is like this, where the values are between 0 and 9. The print statements are going to be the same, where 0 comma whatever value is going to print the index values from the first row, and 1 comma the value is going to print the values from the second row. Now let's get into the second type of basic indexing, which is the slicing. Let me first show you how to apply slicing on 1D array. So this is the array that I have, which is going to have the values from 1 to 10. So printing the entire AR is going to print the complete set of 1D array. Next, I'm going to slice only a portion of that array. And for that, I'm going to use the slice operator, which is colon. In my second print statement, I've given AR of 2 colon 7. So this is going to slice the array. 2 is going to be the start index and 7 is going to be the stop index. So the values that will be retrieved is from start index to stop index minus 1. So in my example, the start index of 2 is going to be from 3, because this is 0, this is 1 and this is 2. So from the start index 2 to stop index minus 1, which is 6. So 2, 3, 4, 5 and 6. So from 3 to 7, the values got printed for the slice, which is from 2 colon 7. And in the array slicing, I also have an option to give the step value. In my first print statement, I haven't given any step value. So the default step value of 1 got applied for the slice operation. I can also explicitly give a step value. So in this example, I've given a step value of 2. From 2 to 7, I'm going to print the array items with a step value of 2. So 3, 5, 7 will get printed in my output window. The start and the stop value is optional. So if I don't give any start value and if I give colon 7, then what happens is by default, the start value of 0 gets applied for the slice operation. So from index 0 till index 6 will get printed in my output screen. If I don't give a stop value, that is, if the stop value is blank, then all the items in the array till the end will get printed. So my start value is 1. So from index 1 till the end will get printed in my output screen. And that is the result which we are seeing here. Say I don't give any start value or stop value, then the entire array items get printed in the output screen. So this is the same as printing AR. How do I work with negative indexes? So I'll give AR of -1 to -7. So this is -1, -2, -3, -4, -5 and -6. Because the last value will not be used for the slicing. And I've given the step value to be 1. So the entire set of values get printed in my output screen. If I give a step value of -2, then only the alternate values get printed here. Now let's try to slice a 2D array. Creating a 2D array by using the arrange function and the shape attribute, and the values are 0, 1, 2, 3, 4 and 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. So first I'm trying to print a slice of this 2D array. So from the first row, I'm going to take the slice of items with the index item 1 to index item 3 minus 1, which is 2. So from the first row, index item 1 is this, and 3 minus 1 is going to be 2. So 1, 2 gets printed in my output screen. What if I give a step value here? From the first row, from the first index value till 3 minus 1, which is 2, till the second index value, I'm going to slice the items with the step value of 2. So from the first row, from index value 0, 1, 2, I'm going to apply a step value of 2. So 0 and 2 gets printed in my output screen. I have given examples to slice the array items from the second row as well, where I give the first value to be 1. Same is the case for the negative indexes, where we can specify from which row the slice has to happen and the start value, end value, and the step value. Hope you have understood about the single element indexing and the slicing. You can subscribe to my channel for more videos on the remaining indexing types. Thank you for watching this video. If you have any queries, you can reach out to me at techietalkee@gmail.com. Happy learning and have a great day.